Have you ever taken a taxi in a foreign country?
Or maybe you want to speak English confidently when traveling around a city.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about taking a taxi and giving directions.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about taking a taxi.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use while traveling.
Let's begin. Hello, where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to Central Hotel, please.
Sure.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay.
Are you visiting this city?
Yes, I am.
How do you like it so far?
It's beautiful.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes.
What places do you want to visit?
I'd like to see the city center.
That's a popular area.
Really?
Yes, there are many restaurants and shops.
Sounds great.
You should visit the night market too.
Good idea.
Many tourists enjoy it.
I'll definitely go. Have you ever had a funny taxi experience?
Yes.
What happened?
A passenger got into my taxi and immediately fell asleep.
Really?
Yes.
Did he tell you where to go first?
Luckily, he did. What about you?
I once got into the wrong taxi.
No way.
Yes.
What happened?
The driver looked confused.
And then?
I realized my mistake and apologized.
That's funny.
Not at the time. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.